Hi, I'm Cecilia. As you can probably see, I love Valentine's Day, and so we get to show our loved ones how much we care. Chocolate is heavily featured, which is a bonus. Valentine's Day is all about sharing love. So this year, I'm bringing it to seniors in assisted living. My grandparents live in a community like that, so I know how much a visit can mean. Sadly, some members of our elderly community have loved ones who are no longer around. Why should they be left to have Valentine's fun? How about I make them some beautiful bouquets? So to be a global game changer, I'm taking my talent for flower arranging and my heart for helping the elderly badge to make bouquets and bring them to local retirement homes. This is how I use my superpower to ignite good. One thing you should know about me, I take my flower arranging very seriously. So before I start, I always want to ensure I'm picking the best flowers for the occasion. And when I think of Valentine's Day, I think of one flower, the rose. Roses have thorns. I should probably get some gloves. There, those should do. Time to put the pedal to the metal. Red roses are pretty, but only one color is a little boring. I'll add pink, orange, and yellow roses. There, those four look great together. Next is trimming the stem. I always ask my mom to help me on this one. There, thanks, Mom. I remove any extra leaves from the roses. Phew, I can finally take off these gloves. I'm going to arrange my flowers in this container first. Now for the best part, adding fun details to my flower arrangements. I'm adding baby's breath. I just hope this baby hasn't eaten any garlic. Tiny white flowers stand out against the colorful roses. Now to gather them into a completed bouquet. For the finishing touches, I'm putting the whole thing into my special bouquet holder and adding a little Valentine's Day card. I hope your Valentine's Day got a little better, sir or ma'am. There, that looks beautiful. And it doesn't smell half bad either. Now let's go brighten some Valentine's Days. I visited the retirement community to drop off my flower arrangement for a senior whose loved one is no longer around. I think it's safe to say, my bouquet made their Valentine's Day a little better. Good officially ignited. Now it's your turn. How can you use your talent to help a cause that your heart cares about this Valentine's Day? I promise it's better than any heart-shaped chocolate. Well, almost. Thanks for watching, and remember, a seed of your talent can bloom into an act of kindness that ignites good. What's your superpower?